Today's style is the Nautilus, which is a classic, usually one of the first protective styles that people learn. I am starting with a little bit of this hair serum I've been using. I spilled most of the bottle on the floor and it was super slippery. And I'm annoyed because that was expensive. For today, I'm using this swerve, which is going to really blend in so you don't even see it. Going to do this twist and you can see that I'm holding open that loop. Then I'm using my left hand palm to sort of hold it as I wrap around that base. And then that loop is going to go over everything that's wrapped around. Now, this can be a self-holding bun if you really, really push that center part through, but I never trust it. So I always put a hair stick, a swerve, something in there. And there you have it. This actually looks prettier than I remember it. I like it. So there's also the covered Nautilus, which I'm going to try soon.